Hello everyone, is your computer running slow, opening weird pages, or acting funny? If so, you might have a virus or another type of malware, and a full antivirus scan is recommended. But don't worry, you don't need to buy extra software or pay for anything. Windows 11 has a great security tool known as the Microsoft Defender Antivirus built right in to find and clean any infected files. You just have to check your PC in just a few clicks. First, let's open the built-in scanner. To do that, open Start and look for Windows Security. Then we're going to go to Virus and Threat Protection. From here, first, we need to go to the Protection Updates page. And then we're going to make sure you have the latest protection installed on your computer. Now, once you know that your antivirus definition is up to date, we're going to open the virus and threat protection one more time. And from here, we're going to see important threats, these options. So here, we're going to open Scan Options. Right here, select Quick Scan and click the Scan button. This takes just a few minutes. This method is a good start, but it's not a full scan. This option checks the main places where infected files are likely to hide. If it finds anything, it will ask you to clean it up right away. Now, if the quick scan comes up clean, but your PC still feels off, you should do a full scan. And to do that, just open the scan options page one more time. And then we're going to select the full scan option and then just click the scan button. This checks for every single file on your computer drive. It can take an hour and even more. So you can walk away, get a cup of coffee, and let it do its job. You can always continue to use your computer while the process works in the background. Now, if the full scan finds anything, it will let you know. So I know that this computer doesn't have any infected files, so I'm going to cancel this. And the last option that we're going to look at is the Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. So some tricky malware can hide while the computer is turned on, making it impossible for any security software to catch it. But this option works when Windows is now loaded, and it can help you to find and catch more complex viruses. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that when we select this option and we click the scan button, the computer will restart to proceed with the offline scan. So make sure to save any work that you might have open on your computer before proceeding. Now, as you can see also, this process can take around 15 minutes, but it can take a little longer. And now here's the offline scan in progress. Now, once the scan is complete, your computer will restart automatically. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to cancel this and log back into the computer. Now, when the computer restarts, you can open the Windows Security app again. And you can go to the protection history page. And from here, you're going to see if any malware was detected on your computer. You can always confirm with the timestamp. Now, here's something important. A full scan, offline account, or any other scan does not guarantee that every malware will be found. And this is true for virtually any anti-malware software. However, that doesn't mean you have to ignore security software, as it is a tool you can use, even though there is always a chance that it might not work. And that's it. That is how we check for malware on Windows 11 without having to resort to third-party utilities. Make sure to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.